This short video explains how to log in to the bel.guard configuration application with a new safety device and shows what you can do if you don't have a device to connect to. Warning: this tutorial does not replace the user manual. Please make sure to read through the user manual before using the configuration tool. Using this configuration tool affects the safety of the machine. Only authorized and instructed operators are allowed to use this tool. To start the configuration software with a new safety device, the user must enter a name of choice for said safety device. Once you have entered this name the first time, anytime you come back to the configuration tool, you can find the name in the drop-down menu. Please enter the valid address of the safety device, usually an IP address, to get connected. Choose a username and enter the name of your company. The devices contain a hierarchy of user groups that regulates access to the safety devices. For certain actions, for example transmitting a configuration to the safety device, you must log into the device with the corresponding user group. The respective action fields are only displayed in the associated user groups. The three user groups are the guest who does not need a password and can read the status, read process data, and read diagnostic data. The service technician, who has the same permissions as the guest and additionally may also transmit a sealed configuration to the safety device and read the configuration from the safety device. The administrator has permissions to access all functions of the device. If you log in for the first time to a new device, you are required to log in as administrator with the one-time password found in the user manual. Once you have put in the one-time password, click Connect to couple with the safety device. At the bottom left, you will see a loading bar to show the status of the connection. Once the connection is established, you will see the status and name of the device you are now connected to at the bottom right of the window. At the top right, you will see your login name and user group. Additionally, you will see a pop-up window suggesting changing the one-time password. For security reasons, it is recommended to change the administrator password immediately after logging in for the first time. Please make sure to keep this new password in a safe place, as there is no way of resetting the administrator password if it is lost. To do this, access the tab Online and select Change Administrator Password and type in the old and desired new password. The new password is required to have a minimum of 8 and a maximum of 32 characters, shall include uppercase letters and lowercase letters, and at least one digit and one special character. As the administrator, you can also enable or disable service technician access and change the password for the service technician. To enable the service technician access, select the tab Online and then Administrate Service Technician Access. Tick the box and enter your administrator password and the new desired password for the service technician. In case you don't have a device to connect to, there is also the option of the offline mode. You don't need a password, but you do need a username and the name of your company. In offline mode, you can also open configurations from disk. Make sure to check out our other tutorials on how to use the bel.guard configuration application.